the importance of studying history. We must be aware of what happened in the past, because then we're not likely to make the great mistakes again that were made in times past. You ignore history at your peril. That is particularly relevant in terms of military history. If you study military history and understand who won, who lost, what the suffering was, what the payoff was, then you can realise, appreciate, we must strive all we can for a more harmonious, more peaceful society. Now, in terms of tourism, that's the way to do it, to introduce people who are travelling to the pain, the suffering, the war, the terror, the punishments of times past, and to learn from it. If you learn from these things and put them into practice through intelligent, vibrant tourism, you are going to spread the message of peace across the world.